Okay, as I was going along, I was still getting a lot of air bubbles, and I thought, I don't really like that. So then what I did is I started kind of playing around with this on this side. So if I wanted to take it off, I could. And all I'm going to do is just take the skewer and just go across like this on all of these, and then go up and down in this area. Now it's going to be easier if I actually go up in this up and down part before I put this over the top. So it still looks like the basket, it just looks like a different kind of, just gives it a different texture, and I kind of like it. It's a little bit more rustic. So here, before I pipe the ones that go over or across, what I'll do is I'll make these lines, and then I'll come back and go across. Okay, and what I'll do is, to save time, I mean, I could go ahead and draw on these now if I wanted to, but that way isn't really an issue. It's more up and down. So I'll just keep doing all of these up and down this way, and just continue, just so I can get that part done quicker. And then I'll come back and I'll texture all these other ones. Okay, so now we're getting towards the end here. So I'll just go from here right over to there. And then come down here. And then we'll go across. And this one's off a little bit. We'll just kind of do that. By the time we do the do all this, then it'll look fine. Okay, so now I need to go back and all these this direction. Go like this before it dries out too much. Okay, so you need to do that while it's still soft. So it takes you a while to do the basket weave part. Then what you should do is do some of this part and then go on and do more of the basket weave and so on and so forth.